Well, I took the 327 Chevrolet engine cylinder head down here to this machine shop that's been in Fort Worth since 1941 to have it resurfaced. I'm afraid it might have been warped. That's what blew the head gasket. This place has been open since 1941, and the guy that started it in 1941 is actually in here still working, which I think is amazing. I also think it's amazing that I could bring something into a place and they can service it right away. It's a neat old place. And there's my head. They've already got it ready for me. That's good service. It's like a step back in time. Practically anything you need, they rebuild automotive here. It's a good place. Well, back to work on the car.